Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Rizi Yusron Praditya. I'm from Sistem Informasi NPM 2331149. I'm from class SI 23B. In this presentation, I want to explain condition on C++. If, else if, else. Next is for the first C++ condition and if statement, you already know that C++ support the usual logical condition from mathematics. Less than A less than B, less than or equal to I less than or equally B, greater than I greater than B, greater than or equal to A greater than or equal to B. Equal to A equal to B, not equal to A, not equal to B. You can see this condition to perform different action for different execution. Next is in the below is a code if we want to try in on Dev C++. Use the if statement to specify a block of C++ code to be executed if a condition is true. If condition block of code to be executed if the condition is true. Next is if we try to compile the output is x is greater than y. Example explained. In the example above we ask two variable x and y to test whether x is greater than y using the operator as x is 20 and y is 18. And we know that 20 is greater than 18. We print to the screen that x is greater than y. Next is in the below is a example to make else code. The else statement use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if condition is false. Example, if condition block of code to be executed if the condition is true. Else block of code to be executed if the condition is false. Next is this is a example explained and on the below in the example of code else statement. Example explained in the example above time 20 is greater than 18. So the condition is false. Because of this, we move on to the else condition and print to the screen, good morning. If the time was less than 18, the program will print good day. In time 20, if time 18, code good day, else code good evening, output good evening. Next is this example to make a code of else if statement. The else if statement use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. If condition lack of code to be executed if condition 1 is true. Else if condition 2 block of code to be executed if the condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Else block of code to be executed if the condition 1 is false and condition 2 is false. Next is expansion is and the code is on below. Example, in the example above time 22 is greater than 10. So the first condition is false. The next condition in the else if statement is also false. So we move on to the else condition signs condition 1 and condition 2 is both false and print to be the screen good evening home ever. If the time was 14 our program will print good day. Solution if the time 22, if time 10. Code good morning, else if time 20. Code good day, else code good evening. Output good evening. Next is it's all about my presentation. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys. Yes, yes.